My name is Shai.
Oh, shy. That's cool. So,
Shy because I'm shy.
okay, so where are you from, Shy?
From Philippines.
Okay. And who is next to you? What is the relation between her? Yeah, you and her.
I'm a mother.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
She's
Okay.
she's
So-
my mother.
Are you a student? Do you study?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I'm working here in
Okay.
Romania. We are from Philippines, but we are here in Romania, and I'm working.
How long
We're
have you
working
been?
here.
How long have you been over there?
4 years.
She's 4 years and me 2 years and 6 months.
Okay. So who is best cook in your family? You or your mother?
She.
Why?
Oh.
Why?
No, I just
Ah,
asked.
it's like a job interview.
Do you like
Okay, I thought I have a job.
do you like eating so much? Are you foodie?
Oh yeah.
Why? Look my body.
Not like
Why?
that. Not like that.
No.
Okay. Yeah. So what is your favorite food?
Yeah. Food is life.
How it's what?
What is your favorite food?
Favorite food. Ano ba?
So many Filipino food.
Lumpiang Shanghai,
Ah,
pancit,
kare-kare.
Do you
kare-kare,
like
sinigang.
fast food? Do you like fast food?
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
If we have money, we can go to fast food. But if we don't have money, we must better cook in the house.
Oh,
Exactly.
okay, got it. That's cool. And your mom is best cook, right?
She is.
Okay.
Yeah, she is. She's the best. She's the best chef.
Yeah, every mom can cooking very well, right?
Ay.
Ano siya nagpapaliwanag siya, no?
Yeah.
So it's nice to meet you, and I'm from Bangladesh. My name is Sushant Paul.
Ah. Okay, how old are you? 21. You're just 21?
No, you can guess. 21? No, I'm not 21. Upper.
How old? 25?
No, I'm 24, but I'm going to be 25. You guessed right.
Ah, okay. Because I'm 28.
How old are you? What is your age?
28.
Oh, then you are older than me.
Yeah, I'm older than you and she is. You know what is how older? 50.
What?
Oh, okay. So I think you can speak Romanian language.
A little bit.
So what is the language in Romania?
English. English.
Oh. Is it national language over there?
No.
No. It's Romania. They speak Romania, but Romania. How can I say Romania?
So in that case, you can speak English. You can speak English well.
Yeah,
right?
we can speak. Mhm. Yeah, exactly.
Okay. And
Okay, yeah.
so what are you doing right now?
That's-
What are you eating?
Just chips.
Junk
Eating
food.
just chips.
Oh, it's fast food like that, right?
Hmm? Yeah.
So it's not
Sweet, yeah.
it's not healthy for our health, right?
It's not healthy, I know. It's
Yeah,
not
we know.
Yeah.
But it's just
We
sometimes.
just drink it early.
Just sometimes, not every day, you know. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, thank you.
Tell me something.
Thank you for joining
Could you
us.
please tell me something? about Romania? I want to know more.
Yeah, really. In Romania, it's just very quiet place, and what more?
Generous.
They are generous. They are kind. What else? The place is very nice. The people.
You can have a peace of mind here.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, okay. So, how are you feeling over there?
It's good. The feeling,
Yeah.
The feelings of the weather.
or the weather.
No, I said, how are you feeling? Everything is good.
How is our feeling? It was good.
Very good.
It's very good.
We cannot just stay here a long time if we are feeling good.
And if I ask you the weather, how is the weather over there?
It's good. Now it's summer.
Now is a summer.
Summer. So, do you enjoy summer? What is your favorite season?
Now it's a summer.
Do you like summer?
My favorite season is the autumn.
Winter. I favorite winter.
Oh.
Her favorite weather here is winter, and my favorite season here is autumn. Like
Okay.
not very cold, not very hot. It's just
In the middle.
Okay. To be honest, I favor in not summer, not winter. I favor in spring. You know, spring.
spring.
Yeah,
It's like autumn.
yeah, like that. Little bit.
Also, siya.
Talking to you. So, what time is it now over there?
11 p.m.
So, where did you did you have your dinner?
That.
You're smiling, you're shining. No, you can always count on me. For sure.
Okay.
That's
Thank you
what friends are
for talking with us.
Surprise you.
Good
I'm gonna surprise.